Hi, I'm Sucheta, a conscious parenting expert, coach, and author. Today, we are going to talk about a controversial subject: love your child little less. Now, why I'm telling you this sentence? Because there are two perspectives of loving your child. First is blind love, and second is love where we use it to manipulate and control our child. I want you to analyze your parenting techniques and find out where you stand. I'll just tell you two situations. If you are not falling in either way, that means you are a conscious parent. Continue. So, first thing is when your child is acting irresponsible. That means he uses you as a provider. He is irresponsible towards his work. He does not share any responsibilities in the house. However small it is, they need to interested in doing some or the other work in the home. Now, if they eat, sleep and play mobile game and does not pay full attention towards their studies, then your love is blind. You are so blinded by love that you are forgetting the very important part of life skill is natural consequences. You are blinded, so you are protecting them. You are bubble wrapping them so much so they don't get pain, so much that they don't make mistake, so much that they don't fail in their life. You are doing things for them. Take example of a simple project, whether you are doing it for them or whether your child does and ask for your advice. Find out whether they are very rude, whether they are very overbearing, whether they are demanding. Find out, ask yourself, and if this is the situation, you need to change. As I told you, conscious parenting is a solution for everything. That is, conscious parenting takes full responsibility of whatever child symptoms are. So you take full responsibility of solving that issue by changing your mindset. This happens because of our inner issues, our inner lack. The love becomes a need. We need child to complete ourselves. We need recognition. The child helps us to feel valued, and when that happens, we start depending on child. We become clingy. We want to know each and everything. We make them depend on us for everything. We want to be valued by our child, and that's a wrong signal. That's a red flag. We need to avoid that. So be a conscious parent. And the second thing is, if you are using love to manipulate and control the child, whether your love is conditional. Why I'm asking whether love is conditional? Because no doubt we love our child, but that love disappears when the child is not ready to sleep at that particular time, when the child is acting clingy and not allowing you to speak on your phone with your friend, where the love goes. So it's all about you, your life, your child, your house. So that love which changes the dimension is conditional. When you have conditional love, that means you will try to change your child as per the fantasy image you have created. You will try to control. You will like child to perform in certain way. That means they should be excelling in sports, excelling in studies, excellent in everything they are doing. Whether you have such fantasy in your mind and you are making child run in order to complete that fantasy by this phenomena called love. Most important thing child likes is the affirmation from their parent, the basic caregiver who make them feel valued. Naturally, you use your love to manipulate your child. That is unconscious parenting, because the day will come when child will use the same technique to manipulate you, because children are a quick learner, and this happens at such a quick level or quick stage that it becomes difficult. So when we start controlling our child and put them on our path, they loses their blueprint, and the whole focus of conscious parenting is analyzing the child's and exploring the child's blueprint. So this particular exercise, where loving your child less, that means being conscious while loving your child, by making them responsible, making them aware that they have to face the consequences if they are not acting responsible, where they are allowed to make mistakes, where we are not acting out of fear that they will fail if we don't give them support. So we are not going to make our child dependent on us. We are going to make them independent human being we are going to train them in all the life skills, so that when time comes, they are ready to take decision and take the responsibility. That is, if they become a CEO and they have to take a decision, they will be able to take. If the child becomes a surgeon and standing at the operation table and has to take a decision where the life and death of a person is dependent on that particular decision, they will take the conscious decision, because you have trained them to take a decisions. Be a conscious parent. It's the whole process, and I have discussed the whole process in my book in detail. Please buy this book. It is a valued investment. You will not regret. This is very, very important, which discusses the whole process of conscious parenting, how to become a conscious parent. It discusses the new methods of disciplining your child, or I cannot use word discipline. Conscious parenting doesn't believe in disciplining. It believes in self-regulation, self-motivation. Make your child a star. Be a conscious parent. Thank you. Do you want to know in detail about the process of parenting through consciousness? My book Relearning Parenting has discussed in detail the outdated methods and what are the effects of those outdated methods and controlling, and how you can resolve those issues, and what are the new methods of disciplining. Don't you want to know? It is a whole system you have to undergo. It's a valuable investment, I guarantee you. Please buy my book. You will get it in the description. Subscribe to my channel for more such information on conscious parenting. Be in this journey. Be with me in this journey. Thank you.